Hey guys, it's TJ Vitens with the Strategic Real Estate Team, and today I'm sitting here with Jason Guttenberg of Liberty Mutual, and we're just going to kind of talk about what you need as far as homeowners insurance and stuff, and what happens after you get an accepted offer as far as trying to get insurance. So let's welcome Jason here. Thanks for coming today, Jason. I guess first, just to start out, can you kind of explain to people how much insurance they need?
Sure. I think one of the key factors to remember is if you're having a loan on your purchase, that's not necessarily how much you're going to insure the home for. It also depends. The insurance company really looks at what it would cost to replace your home if you had a total loss. So that's the key factor. Typically that's going to be in line with the loan, but there are some cases where it doesn't necessarily apply. So we really look at what the full replacement cost is if you had a total loss.
Okay. So does that cover any special items, let's say jewelry, or if somebody had a boat in the garage or something?
Good question. Your home insurance typically covers the majority of your personal property. So your clothing, your bed, all of your furniture. Things like boats, though, and jewelry have special coverages and limits that you need to add to the policy.
Okay.
So those are the things you want to definitely talk to an agent about to make sure you get the right coverages.
Got it. Is there anything else that we should be considering when looking to purchase?
Yeah, one of the other main coverages with home insurance is your liability coverage. So it really depends how much coverage you have depending on your situation. Do you have kids? Are you living in a condo? Because then you have neighbors living in a closer proximity to you. Mm-hmm. So those are key things to remember, because if you're adding more risk, you want to maybe think about having a little bit more liability coverage.
Okay. So I guess another big thing is, we actually run into this a lot, but when do people need to look to get insurance after they get an accepted offer?
My recommendation, most of the loan processors and mortgage companies like to see insurance, proof of insurance from the insurance company at least 2 weeks prior to closing. So I usually recommend that once you get an accepted offer, you start to look into getting your insurance to at least get an idea of the coverages you need, and also how much it's going to cost.
And that's not like they're actually writing a check out then. That doesn't happen until it goes live, right?
There are options you can pay ahead of time, which I typically recommend.
Okay.
Just for the fact that the mortgage company wants to get as much as they can in place prior to closing, have everything in order so your closing goes smoothly. So paying ahead of time is usually a good thing. You can pay at closing, but it sometimes will delay things.
Okay, so that is kind of an important one. I know Jason's ran into it. I have, where people wait until 2 weeks, a week beforehand, and the closing gets pushed back. So you do really want to get on top of getting your insurance set up and in place right away. Is there any, I know from working with you before, your company offers some special programs with, like, if you graduated from the UW system, most of the schools. Is there any other ones?
Yeah, there are a lot of different discounts in insurance, some of them with multi-policy discounts. Liberty Mutual especially really focuses on employer groups, so if you work at certain employers, the university, also with, like I said, with universities, just being an alumni member. So from a lot of the state schools, UW-Madison, Whitewater, La Crosse, Eau Claire, all those colleges, you'll get a special discount at Liberty Mutual just for going to school there.
Okay, great. So if you're on our website, look right below this video, and I'll have Jason's contact info. Otherwise, do you want to give it to him?
Yeah, you can give me a call at 608-442-9191.
Thanks, Jason.
Thanks, TJ.
Remember, when you think real estate, think strategic.